Hey guys, so I wasn't planning to make a video here, but I just discovered a really stupid reason of why I wasted money getting a replacement part, and I wanted to share it with you guys so you guys don't make the same mistake. Basically, it was from the hot water, very slow, and I was thinking what the heck's wrong with it. So I went and I got a replacement part from Home Depot, one of these guys right here, and there's a box for it, 3/8. Anyways, it's not too expensive. I decided to switch it out. Finally got it switched out, and then I put my hot water hose back on it, and it was leaking because this real little rubber guy wasn't on there. So this is the old piece right here, and that's the rubber piece that I need to put on my sink hose. So I got my knife and I tore it off, and what I found inside is just black. So some got on my finger right there, but I'm going to take it off and put it on a napkin and show you guys what it looks like. And that's the reason why my sink was giving off, or my water was giving off really bad pressure for the hot water. And I didn't even have to get this part replaced. I could have just rinsed that out and put it back in. So let me quickly show you guys here. Just a little bit more left in there. So that basically cleared it out, and now it's clean. If it wasn't for this little filter, I would have never looked inside the old piece right here. I would have never seen all that garbage that was clogged up in there because of the filter, which is good because I don't want it to go into my water. Yeah, that's some pretty big pieces there. I know it's all melted together because of the hot water that was constantly running through there, but it's a lot of garbage. There's the new unit right there. I'm gonna put the filter in, connect the hose, and we're gonna see the water pressure. Now to run the water in the sink. That's hot water, that's cold water. Really big pressure from both of those just because of that one clog. The clog that was in this spot right here. So basically the water comes here from the city, and it's dirty either because of my hoses or the city, and the little filter here catches it before it goes into the sink. So that's why it clogged up there. But yeah, that takes care of it. I lost hot water and I lost the pressure, and this solved both of those problems. So there you go.